Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're here at the Riviera West Village. This is a 2-bedroom that's here. And you know what I love about this? It's really big. It's just actually quite big. It has got a massive space for the living room and area. You can put a lot of furniture in here and just have a great apartment that's, you just don't feel constricted in any way. Look how massive it is. It's really big, and you've got a huge balcony. We're gonna explore that balcony in just a minute, but look at this. And then here's the kitchen. It's adorable. It's very pretty. It's got some cabinets there. It does have all the appliances you need. It has some really cute lighting up here. And then it does have a really nice pantry here also. So the pantry is pretty cool. A lot of space in here you can put in here. And then of course the water heater is here too. So really cool. There's where your washer and dryer would go too. So anyway, that's that. Let's step outside and see this. Let's see if we can step outside just real quick and take a look at this. Let's see, here we go. So we're gonna walk out and see this. Okay, so here is the balcony. The balcony is massive. Whoa, it is really big. You can have a whole table and several chairs out here. This is a great location. Wow, great location for this because it's right next to the living room and then one of the bedrooms looks out on it too. And it looks like it even has a little bit of extra storage. This is crazy cool. So this is a little bit more about this 2-bedroom here at the Riviera West Village. It's definitely huge. You're gonna have plenty of space for you. Hey, if you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And stay tuned. We're going to do a part 2. We're actually going to go into the bedrooms and see the baths too. Let's go do that right now.